Oh my god. Oh, wait on. Did you turn the camera on? Dude. Wake up. Wake up. I'm totally not sleeping. Wake up. The camera. Why did you turn it on? Is it on? I don't like you. No camera. Hey guys, it's Jolo Vlogs here. So it is 12:03 in the morning. Yeah, that's right. Oh, actually, 12:03 in the afternoon. Same thing. So I just fell off the bed. I hurt my arm. What video do you want to do? What is this video gonna be about? Oh, sorry, I hurt my arm. It hurt. Well, probably something with another music video. But that's what we do a lot. Music videos. This is not gonna be any ordinary music video. Oh, I'll have to watch that soon. Sorry, it's Markiplier. Okay. Kicking it with you. There's a kicking it video on my homepage. Okay, so why? This is a challenge. What? Oh dear Lord. This is the Nyan Cat challenge. Let's see how long we can listen to Nyan Cat. Could be twitching by the end of this crap. I'm pulling it up, guys. Don't worry. Oh my god. You guys can tune out of the video at any time. Because this is going to be a 23-hour thing. Yeah, no, it's not. This is just a stinking clip. Don't listen to this Advil clip. It'll load, Lauren. Just go back onto the thing. It's gonna load. Just wait, guys. Just wait 1 second, guys. It'll load. Don't add extra time. Oh, we're just. Would you get it? I'm dead. Batman is tuning out. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. I'm still right here. I'm still listening. Still listening? Okay, why did you do this? I don't know. How long did that take to render? We've only been doing this for like a minute, guys. And I'm already getting tired of it. Okay, you know what? Scratch Nyan Cat. We're not signing off, though. Why not? Huh, it's not making a 4-minute video. No, we could just exit the video and like start over. Okay. You guys cannot. Mom said I could watch one more video before bed. It's a 24-hour long one. Okay, guys. Okay, I mean, ow. Nyan Cat's taking over my world. Just try not to laugh. Oh dear Lord. But instead it's just with funny animal sounds. This is not no ordinary funny. This is funny animal sounds. Oh dear Lord, no. Okay. We're just gonna watch it. You guys can still see it. We're gonna watch the video.
on. We'll put the link to this video in the description, by the way. Dear Lord.
Shout out to Tiger Productions.
We'll put their link in the video right now. The link's right there. And my phone down. The faces, not the noise. The face,
though.
What's that one?
Oh my god.
I can hear the voices.
Okay. You want it? You want it?
Yes, sir. Run around. Run around.
Wow. The cat's not making that sound, guys.
I know, just hilarious. Sorry. That is the cat. Actually, what's the cat, though?
Man, that cat's got some sharp teeth.
It's like a dolphin. It's a dolphin.
It's the yelling goat!
Zapatero, ¿qué opina usted del gobierno de Zapatero? Pues igual que yo. ¿Y qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted del gobierno canario? ¿Y de los ayuntamientos de la isla?
This is the one with the goat and the guy that's talking Japanese and texting and Are we moving on the goat? First it was dogs, then it was cats, now it's goats. Okay, now it's dogs, then a llama.
You're really something else. Step on my finger.
Talking back to his daddy. Someone's dancing. Why is the video been?
Tell me what you really think.
I don't know, but I don't really care.
Don't touch me.
He is a bird. I want to watch that. Okay, that's the end of our video, guys. Goodbye. Jodo signing off.